Let's improve the design of this program. Rather than continue to copy and paste or duplicate coughs, let's instead leverage that construct we called a loop so as to do the same thing again and again. Let's first drag some of these pieces out of our way. Let's grab a repeat block, and let's change that default 10 to just 3. Now let me steal just one pair of this triple of pairs, plug that into our loop, throw these other pieces away altogether, and we've now whittled this program down into something much simpler, yet just as readable and just as functional. Indeed, let's click the green flag, and we get a cough, a second cough, and a third cough. Better, right?